Hello and welcome to How Do You Cook Back to Basics. So today we're going to be making Southern cornbread made with self-rising enriched white cornmeal mix from White Lily. And here is the recipe on the back that we're going to be using. First steps you'll want to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Put some oil in the pan that you're going to be making your cornbread in and distribute evenly throughout the pan. And then place your dish in the oven to let your oil preheat while you are preparing your cornbread batter. So we're going to add 1 egg to our mixing bowl and whisk it up just a little bit before adding our other ingredients. Okay, so now we're going to add 2 cups of our cornmeal mix to our mixing bowl and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, 1 1/4 cups of milk. You can use buttermilk if you want. So if you use buttermilk, you'll want to use 1½ cups. Now we're going to begin mixing our batter up until it's well incorporated. And set that to the side. Now we're going to take out our preheated oil and take a little bit of the cornmeal mix and distribute evenly throughout the pan. Now we're going to pour our batter into our pan here. And now we're going to place this in the oven for approximately 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. I want to thank you all for joining me on today's episode, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Until next time, y'all, bye-bye now.